Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinky, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about a couple of crypto tips for 2022, which can be useful if you would like to trade successfully. The second thing I would like to talk about, it's also very important. This is that the Bitcoin leverage ratio hits actually new all-time high, which can actually hold some danger. And the third news is all about that Ozzy Osbourne announces his first NFT collection. Guys, all this in today's video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, but you would like to get the daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news, then what are you waiting for? Simple thing, subscribe, bell button, all, and then I bringing them for you to keep you up to date, which is, I think, crucial if you would like to be successful in crypto. So guys, check out the links under this video, many useful ones, such as a free course, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And now it's time to looking at the market, how that looks like. So right now we see Bitcoin again under $50,000, which is $49,036 at the moment. Ethereum again under $4,000, $3,904 right now. When we're looking at the top gainers, then we see Icon going up 17%, Sushi Swap 9%, almost 10%, and IOTA going up 4%. When we're looking at the losers, here on Finance 10% down, then we have Theta Network 10% down and Loopring 10% down. A couple of them here 10%, as you can see. Let's check out the Bitcoin chart, where we can see that we started to go up since the 20th of December here. I drew here this trend line, but now today, actually starting yesterday, we definitely broke it. And even on the 4-hour, we lost the EMA ribbon, which was holding as support. The same happened on the daily. If you're looking at, we just lost it. Which could show that we can go further down. But overall, if you're looking at the weekly, on the weekly, we definitely are still looking good, as you're looking here, the higher highs, higher lows. When we go under 42,000, as we broke down further, then we have a different kind of scenario. But until that, I think we still remain bullish with this kind of correction what we have right now. And today, I'm going to talk about this new leverage record what we have, which actually always holds some kind of danger. Right. Okay, guys, let's move on to the first topic. The first topic is a couple of tips for 2020, which can be useful for you if you are into crypto. So here's an article on Cointelegraph, which is all about new to crypto trading. If you are, then here are 5 tips on how to start in 2022 on the right foot. So, we don't know, and if you knew, you have to know that this is a very volatile market. There are crazy runs going to the upside and then, falling knives, as we say. So it could be very, very dangerous. Therefore, it's very important, the first one here, that whatever you invest, at least prepare it for 2 years. It doesn't mean that you have to be in that position for 2 years, or you have to hold it in crypto for 2 years. But if anything happens, so a longer bear market is coming before you could take out your profit, then, and you would like to, for instance, use that money in the next couple of months, then this can be in danger. And what most people do in this case, they realize their losses. And basically, this is the worst thing that you can do if you are in good projects, which come back sooner or later. You just weren't patient enough, or you needed the money. So it's very important you plan for a long time. Always dollar cost average, which means you shouldn't jump in straight away when you enter into the crypto market using all your savings at once. It's very important to invest continuously and always bit by bit. because then you're going to have a great average. Because many times it can happen that today you put all the money in, you say Bitcoin is at 50,000, and maybe a month later it's at 40,000, 42,000, for instance. Then you will be angry that, oh, why did I do so when I can have a nice average then? And of course, it can work vice versa as well. But statistics shows that dollar cost averaging in long term brings you better return, better success. Of course, you can be lucky to entering in a very, very great position, but this is matter of luck. And we are here on long term. And if just play on this kind of luck kind of thing, then this is kind of dangerous, because sooner or later it will turn against you. Therefore, dollar cost averaging could be something which is useful, especially if you're a beginner. So don't use too many indicators when conducting analysis. It's also important because there are so many. And if you use too many indicators in one, then you will be totally confused. So for this, you do need your routine. You have to practice and start to use those which you believe the most. And then you can work out a strategy. And of course, whatever strategy you're working out, the crypto market can always surprise you. Why? Because this is how it works. Then sometimes, there is a dump on the market, which we couldn't predict because OTA is working from the past and we cannot see the future. And many, many indicators can be confusing. Okay, learn when to step aside. It's also important. Sometimes you just have to chill. You have to take a break. Sometimes you just shouldn't do anything. If you couldn't take out your investment before the price drop, then don't panic. If you invest in good projects, sooner or later they probably go up. And if you diversified your portfolio, you just not in just one or two, but in many, there is even a better chance that the rest will recover. Okay, and continue to invest in winners. Well, this is kind of obvious one, but definitely look at the projects which performing well. Look at the projects which are fundamentally strong, and instead of putting all your money in shaky projects, rather focus on the big winners, and they probably will bring you continuously good returns. And every rule is meant to be broken. So whatever rule is in, for example, in TA, technical analysis, then something happening on the market, some bad news, some whale dump the market, it's broken the whole plan what you just built up, and then what can you do? You have to recalculate. So be aware of it. There are always surprises on the crypto market. There were, there are, and there will be. So yeah, this is how to. Therefore, you need a good strategy. Okay, so some tips which can be useful for beginners starting well on 2022. But the most important, be here, learn on daily basis, and for instance, follow this channel because I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. With time, you will get the routine. You will be more calm, and actually things will play out very well if you are here long enough. But many people just come here, put their money in, they don't learn, they just act quickly, and then they just lose, and then they leave, and they think about the crypto market as a bad thing. But this is just like anything else. You have to learn it, and first learn, then act, because you earned that money with a very, very hard work. And here you can lose it very fast if you don't know how to play the rules. Right. Okay, next topic is could be danger ahead because the Bitcoin leverage ratio hits new all-time high. One thing we should be really looking at is always this Bitcoin leverage ratio. And this actually hits now a new all-time high. And why I'm saying this? Because now, many times, this is what the whales are playing when they see that people are in leverage. And as you can see here on the chart, but here it's also posted by cryptoquant.com. As you can see, all exchange estimated leverage ratio. And look, this is here the Bitcoin price, the black one, and the blue one is this ratio. And look how strongly it's actually going up recently, which always holds some danger. Because if this is going up, then if some will, decide to take out a significant amount of Bitcoin, it will drop the price and liquidate so many positions, leverage positions, which will liquidate more and more, and then we have this kind of falling knife drop. So this danger is right now in the air. Will it happen? Good question, but we have seen it a couple of times recently, and therefore many times you don't have this usual parabolic runs to the top, because now the tactic for many whales is to dump the market when the leverage is high. And there are many newcomers. They would like to make a lot of big money. Now we have here December, because this was historically very good after the year of halving back in 2013 and 17. So people have big hopes. Therefore, they think, okay, we're going to have a nice run at the end of December. So yeah, this could be, guys, dangerous. And yeah, it has new all-time highs. How it will play out, we will see. But these are just the facts which CryptoQuant pointed out. Okay, and the next topic is all about Ozzy Osbourne, who is launching his first NFT collection. Okay, and yes, Ozzy Osbourne, the next celebrity, pop star, rock star, whatever you name it, he's about to announce his first NFT collection. So Ozzy Osbourne has announced his first dive into NFT world with the upcoming Crypto Bats collection. The Prince of Darkness will unveil 9,666. Of course, why not? Totally unique NFT bats in January, so next month it's coming. According to an official release, each crypto bat will give collectors a unique opportunity to birth an additional NFT, activating a feature which will allow their purchase to buy and mutate with another NFT from their digital wallet, so what they already own. Known as the Mutant Bats, the Pioneer feature will subsequently allow owners to combine the attributes of two separate projects, making Mutant Bats a rare offering for NFT collectors. So far, CryptoBats has announced they will be able to buy it, so mutate with, for instance, Bored Ape Yacht Club. So this is a huge thing. And here you can see a couple of others as well. Here are some examples of these bats, as you can see here. So yes, well, so many people launching now NFTs. It's this topic is hot, metaverse, NFTs, and all these kind of things. And now, well, Ozzy Osbourne is not the youngest. We do know Snoop Dogg, for instance, doing also NFTs, and he's in the Sandbox Metaverse as well. So you can see that many celebrities and stars are taking advantage on this new hype. And the next one is now Ozzy Osbourne. Guys, that's it for today. If you like this kind of content, smash the like button and also subscribe to this YouTube channel if you would like to get the daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news. I'm coming back tomorrow. I wish you a great day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.